All right, guys, I got something from YouTube here, and I'm gonna unbox it. Let's see what we got. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, we got a plaque. We made 100,000, baby. Woo! How you like me now, YouTube? I just want to thank all the fans who subscribe. I feel so great right now. We're going to continue to make great content. I hope you guys like what we're putting out. If there's something more, something different you want to see, please put it in the comments. Thank you. We love you guys. Man, I can see myself. Who is that handsome guy? I got a letter. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people to subscribe to your channel. We know the numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. I am a funny guy, huh? What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have the drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations from the CEO of YouTube. Thank you guys. We love you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. You want to see more of my videos? Click over here. There's lots of them. Leave me some comments. Tell me what else you want me to create. Thanks for watching, guys.